I hear that they've increased how much it spawns in cash registers. So we're going interchange next. 100%. There's like 60 cash registers on that map. Woo! Full auto. Cool. There's a weapon repair. Oh shit! Got a weapon repair kit! Woo! First try! Baby! We going. We getting out of here. Oh my god, this is the most valuable thing in the world right now. Woohoo! Oh shit, this is where the cultists are. Get me back! Run away! No cultists, go away. Run, 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 run. I don't like how bright it is at nighttime sometimes. Like I don't even need night vision. Thought I heard a scab. So like people not running NVGs. I know like there's still shadowy spots, which are gonna be really hard to see in, especially with the contrast of the light in the dark, but like there's a lot of open area where there's not yeah. So ideally I'd be on the other side of the map, I feel. But I don't want to deal with cultists when I have a PP-19 with PST ammo and level 4 armor. So I'd rather be chatted out a little bit if I was going to deal with cultists, especially solo. Because there's 3 or 4 of them. There's 4 of them, I think, usually. And they are usually pretty chatted the fuck out, so... I would prefer not to, drop the weapons case so early. He's moving on a sniper up there. Usually the middle seems to have the least amount of traffic. The traffic usually seems to be like towards dorms or towards Stronghold, or that construction area. This is usually like the, I don't know why. This used to be the place everyone had to go through, and then once they opened up the map, everyone stopped going this way. I think I'm still gonna hit some loot boxes just in case. Oh, I'm so excited to have this. This is my first one. I've never had one before. And I didn't even know where the spawns were until like last night, and I didn't get to play. So like this is the first time. Well, I did check that custom spot before, like on a scav, but I've never seen one there, obviously, or it would have been identified. So that one spot I did know about, but it's never been there in the few times that I've checked it since I learned about it. I thought maybe it would be, but nah. I have fresh armors. Anyone need armor? I can share. I might start taking it long here. Go around the gas station instead of through it, because it's kind of a hotbed area. Ooh, baby. Oh, that doesn't go in there? Oh, wow. So that's a fence. T. I don't want T. 6. Okay. Sorry. Ba 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 ba. Let's go. Staying in the low ground. Oops, didn't want to hit the push, but whatever. Want more shadows. See, like, when it's like this, I wouldn't If I knew it was gonna look like this, I probably wouldn't have even worn night vision, to be perfectly honest. I think this is my only pair of night vision I have left. And, I don't know if I was ready to give it up. But that's fine, because I swear I swear I saw it raining, right? Wasn't it say it was raining in here? I mean, maybe it didn't. Maybe I'm just confused. Oh, fuel. We can make fuel with matches. Ooh, that was loud. Oh yeah, I don't know. I thought it'd be darker for one, and for two, like if it's raining or cloudy, it gets like pitch black sometimes. It's so hard to see anything. So like if you go into a raid and it's not interchange, you're blind basically. Especially if you're on a map you're unfamiliar with. Like if you're on woods or a lighthouse or something, maybe not lighthouse, but woods for sure. If you don't have night vision on woods and it gets dark, this is the tree. There it is. If it gets dark, you're just, I don't know, you're lost. Your soul is lost. Oh, baby. Keep loading me up. Let's get heavy. Let's get thick. Oh, I didn't think about this. Roly pepperoni. Oops. Standing up now. Easy target. I guess I'll take it just because I can sell it. Oh, the little gun? What the fuck is that little thing? Look at that little baby gun. 52 pounds. Alright. Alright, we're going to try to not be the loudest. They're going to hear us running from the middle of the map. Listen to those sweet elephant hooves. Hello, is anyone here?
Narma!
Oh, these are the attachments I was talking about. There's usually a lot more. Oh, maybe the sodium. I don't know how much that sells for. It's kind of like I'm relearning how much everything goes for to fence. Go a little slow here. There might be a sniper scav up there. And I want to loot this cache. There's certainly scavs over there. Huh. Well. I like that it takes one square! One! Oh, it's so cute. It is like, it's like baby's first gun. Fisher Price. Baby's first gun. I mean, I'm sure it would probably kill a small child, no problem. But oh shit. Fuck. Well, that's what I get for not bringing the scope, you know. I'm gonna get snapped right in between. Oh, bolts. I guess I'll bring it just to sell. I'm just dumping everything defense. do we got here? Bump, you're not worth much. I think I get fuel with you. Ah. Um. Fuck. You guys don't sell for anything. Shit. Well, guns don't really sell for that much either, right? What do I do? Well, the armor's not gonna sell for much, but it's valuable. That's not gonna sell. Fuck it. I don't need it. I'll find more guns. That's always buys guns. Got him. Yeah, yeah. Alright, cool. I am so excited about this. Oh, baby. I can repair guns again. I don't have to buy one. They were like 1,000,000 or 800. I think last I saw they were 800,000 on the flea, but someone told me they went like well over 1,000,000 once this whole event started, before the flea closed. That's crazy. Oh man, so cool! I'm glad I found one. Ah.